Hello, my dear students. Very good morning. Today, I'm going to present how to create cover page of any project in MS Word. Okay, we have started the chapter MS Word, and really one of the most important softwares for DTP. DTP means desktop publishing. Okay, the works related to publishing we can easily do in MS Word. So today I'm going to show you one sample which is prepared in MS Word, and then I will tell how to prepare this. Clear? So I hope all of you are ready. Now I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. Well, so the screen is here. You can see. Let me change the heading.
सर ये आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन दिखा रहे हो
It is just one, you can say, model. Okay, I have chosen art integration.
यस सर
Well, so here you can see that the page. Let me zoom out so that you can see the complete page. So this is prepared in MS Word. Okay, this is prepared in MS Word, and I can do more formatting in this page to make it more attractive. Clear? Now, how to create this type of page? Clear? So now I'm going to tell you. So remember the things at the top. Vichakshan Jain Vidyapit is there. Okay. Let me resize it and right. Kumar. Sorry. Kumar. Okay. So how to create this type of page in MS Word? Okay, basic options you know, control, bold, italic, underline, changing font.
सर प्रोजेक्ट भी बना सकते हैं ना अगर पीपीटी नहीं बनाना है तो
Ah, yes, why not? You can prepare and then you can convert it into PDF file. Okay, yes, you
यस सर
So is it compulsory?
yes, it is compulsory. Those who have not prepared
यस सर
now, you have time up to 31st Jan. Clear?
Sir, please repeat.
I mean, if you have not prepared any project in Gujarat culture, as I have already told you to prepare, and I have got few, I have got a few responses from your end, but many students are left to submit. So there was a link to submit the project on Gujarat culture. Those who have not prepared till now, for them 31st Jan is the last date. I repeat, 31st Jan is the last date. Yes, Harit, I have got yours one, and I have got, I will tell how many students have submitted. Definitely, I will tell. Okay. Okay. So, those who have not prepared, you can start like this. So, now see, this is here, and how to create this type of cover page in MS Word I'm going to tell you. Okay, clear? Okay. Now let me open
यस सर
new page. New page. For new page you can press Control N. If you press Control N, then a new page will be there. Just a minute. I need to share my entire screen. Okay, then it will be proper. Okay, yes, so this is a blank page. If you want to see the previous one, let me show you. Yes, this is the previous one. Okay, now how to create this? Come back to new page, which is totally blank. Okay, first of all, we have to change the color of page. How to change the color of page? Very simple. It is the version of 2010, I hope. So if you are using advanced MS Office, so you will get in this tab page layout. Okay, you need to click on page layout, then you have to click on this option, page color. Clear? Here you can see the logo, page color, one paint bucket is there. So you need to click on this page color, and here multiple colors are available, so you choose any one of them. In my model I have chosen this one. Okay, so let me choose this color. Okay, so color is done. Okay, and the best thing is that next page, if you go to next page, automatically the color will be the same. Okay, and if you change the color of another page, but actually it is a common color, you can apply another color in this page. How? I will tell you. Just a minute. Come back to the another part. So background color is done. Now border. Second thing is you need to apply page border. So just beside page color, you can see page borders. Clear? So you need to click on page border. Then if you want to give, if you want to apply border all the sides, so you need to click on box. When you click on box, that means four sides border. Clear? And here if you click in these four options, like if I click on this, so you can see one by one gone, all borders are gone. If I click once again, it appears once again. Okay, so if you click on directly box, so of course पेज बॉर्डर विल बी अप्लाई ऑन द फोर्थ जो है पेज के चारों तरफ बॉर्डर आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट यू कैन चेंज द पैटर्न, यू कैन स्क्रॉल इट डाउन. I have applied this one, so let me choose this, and you can also increase the width of the border. It is 6 point, let it be 4.5. Okay, color also you can choose border color if you want, otherwise let it be. Okay, so let this many settings you can apply, then okay. So if you click on okay, so now you can see border is applied. Okay, I don't think any problem is there. If you have any problem, please ask me, or shall I continue?
Sir, continue.
Okay, someone is listening music, I hope. Okay, you must seat a quiet place, a very quiet and calm place. Well, let me continue then. Let us see the model once again. Yes, here is a shape, and you can see the corners are rounded corners, not very what do you say, not very tough to do this. बहुत easy है. क्या करना है? We need to click on insert, then we need to click on shapes. If you click on shapes, so you will find this is called rounded rectangle. Okay, the corners are rounded, so click on this. Okay, you need to click on this, and then you have to drag it. Clear? Sorry, why this? You need to click on this, and then your mouse pointer will be changed into plus button. As it is plus button, now you have to drag it. Okay, so this is my shape, and as you draw the shape, you will get different colorful design over here. So I have chosen this one. You can choose anything. Okay, and if you click on this button, so you will find different types of designs. So you choose according to your choice. So the shape is here. Now you need to write something inside the shape. So how to do that? You need to right click on the shape and then click on add text. ठीक है? Okay. राइट क्लिक, लेफ्ट क्लिक करने से नहीं होगा, राइट क्लिक करना है, उसके बाद ऐड टेक्स्ट. When you click on add text, so cursor will be there. You can see here cursor is blinking. You can increase the size. Suppose it is 22, and you can also change the alignment. Okay, let me click on center. Okay, the cursor is here now. Now I can write Jackson Jan Vidyapit. Done. You can also change the format. Okay, I mean the style of writing. There are different font styles are available, which you can use according to your choice. Okay. Okay, then let me increase the size and let me make it bold. And this is very easy. You know that how to create, how to make it bold and underline. You know that. Okay. Shortcut Control B, Control I, and Control U. Okay. So this is done now. Okay. Let me see the model one once again. Okay. Then there is a picture in a round shape. The picture is downloaded from internet and right now it is available uh, on my desktop. Yes, this is the picture you can see. Okay. So this picture I want to use in my document. How to use? Let us see. Very simple, very simple. First of all, go to insert and create a round shape or oval shape, whatever you want. So here is the oval shape and let me draw this. Okay, you can replace the shape and it is free, means you can freely move the shape anywhere. That is the nice thing about MS Word. Now inside this shape I want to apply the picture which I have downloaded, which is available on my desktop. So let me see how to apply the image. Very simple. Here you can see when you create any shape, okay, and when you select the shape, one tab appears, that is format. Okay, in modern version of MS Office, one more tab appears. Okay, if you are using Office 2012 or Office 2016 or Office 365, so tabs are little bit here and there, but all are same. Okay. Okay. So now how to apply the image in this figure? Very simple. You can see here shape fill. You need to click on shape fill. Then you find here picture. Okay. Picture option. You can see. Click on picture and the dialog box of your computer will appear. You need to go to desktop because the picture is available there. Okay. Yes, this is the picture, culture of Gujarat. Select the picture and click on insert. So yes, the picture is here. Okay, so easy, and I hope you will remember it. Okay, so it is almost done. Let me see what is the next step. Yes, next here you can see a very nice shape which we can apply simply. Come back to your work. Yes, this is here. Now to apply that kind of shape, what you need to do, you need to click on insert and you need to go to shapes, and here you find this. Yes, at the bottom side you can see the shape is available. There are many shapes, okay, and you must use these shapes. Okay. Okay, done. Now you can see when you select the shape, one yellow button appears. When you move the yellow button, so you can see a bit difference in the shape. Okay. Okay, I can also increase the size. Done. And here, from here, you can also change the design. It is up to you. Very nice designs are available. Okay, very simple but very nice. Okay, so let me choose this one, and now I need to write here something. So I have to click right button of mouse, then add text and center alignment. Let me tell you, the shortcut of center alignment is Control E. If you press Control E, the cursor will come at the center alignment. For right alignment, Control R. Okay, you can see the cursor is now right alignment. Control R, Control E, and Control L. Control E for center alignment. Okay. Now let me increase the size. Okay. Then you write topic, culture, sorry, culture of Gujarat. Okay. You can change the font color also if you want to make it highlight, then you can. Okay, let me change the color of which color will be nice. Okay, this is okay. So done this part. Okay, now let us see what is left. So at the bottom you can see made by or prepared by. Prepared by is nice. So now see, your cursor is here. Okay, if you want to put your cursor here, you need to double click. As you click twice, cursor will appear. Okay, you can click anywhere and the cursor will be there. Okay. Uh, One thing you need to do, that is margin. Margin, it must be narrow. So where from you can get that margin, you need to go to page layout, and here you can find margins. So let me choose narrow. Okay, if I choose narrow, then there is displacement. Okay, no problem. Come back to the previous. Prepared by XYZ. XYZ. Okay, here you can see the font size is very small. Let me increase it. Okay, it is increased, but you can see there is a gap. There is big gap between prepared by and XYZ. So how to reduce the space? So watch carefully. First of all, you have to select both the lines. Then here in home option, in home tab, you can find this line spacing. Okay, the icon is same, there is no change. So line spacing, click on line spacing, then you click in this on this option, remove space. So as you click on remove space, it becomes compact. Okay, prepared by XYZ and guided by, you have to also write. For that you can use tab button from your keyboard. If you press tab, the cursor will move fast. Guided by, then click here XYZ ABC. Okay, done. Any doubt?
Sir, how many slides we have to make?
How many?
Slide.
Not slides. Okay, there is no such,
Pages.
there is no such limit. Okay, but I think at least 10 to 15.
So what all we can include?
I have guided. If you look at the recorded live class, okay, you go to number 16, class 9 English 016 number video. and you watch the video for 15 minutes. So you will get the entire idea. Okay. It will be helpful for you. And if you want the link, then also I can share the link of the video.
Sir, please share it.
Okay.
Sir, I got.
You have got from where? Okay, if you have got, then okay. And someone asked the link. Just a minute. Let me uh, find the link. Okay. So till now, any doubt is there from your end? I don't think there is doubt, but if you have, please ask. Okay. And I have taught how to create a cover page. Now it is up to you what kind of creativity you can apply in the cover page. Okay, that is up to you. And I know you are very creative. Okay, use your creativity and make your project best project, the best project. Okay, okay, let me find the link of the video. Um, just a minute. No? Class length English. Okay, anything new you want to share regarding MS Word, or anything you have learned by your own? Yes.
So adding watermark.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, using designer.
so we can use test prepping tool also, na?
Text.
Prepping tool.
Yes, yes, yes. Watermark
So
is.
watermark. We can
Uh,
add watermark.
yes, yes. Good.
Sir, there are very beautiful ways in
What do you have prepared? Please repeat again.
sir, while I was making an PPT, I saw one option that beside home in home toolbar there was an option design. Then there was again an option for designer. I clicked on that. There are many beautiful ways.
Yes, yes, yes. And see, those are really helpful. And you can also, modify the design. You can also think of your own. Okay. Well, so the link is shared. Someone asked the link. The link is shared with everyone. Okay. So watch the video from 15 minutes. So you will get the idea of what to do. To reduce the space, we can also tag shift plus enter instead of only enter. Yes, Harit, good. And MS Word is full of shortcut key from Control A to Control Z. Almost in every key, one shortcut key is there. Okay. Okay. So what we can do to beautify the page, you can use your creative idea. This is one of the simplest cover page you can see. Okay, you can also change fill effects. Okay, let me show you. Go to page color, then click on fill effects. If you go to fill effects, so you find gradient, texture, pattern, picture. Okay, you can also apply a picture, you know, on the whole page. Let us see how does it look if we apply the image which is downloaded. This one, insert. Okay. Oh my God, the complete page is now Gujarat culture. Now you need not to write anything. Everything is visible. Okay. But the page background, if it is very hazy, then the content will be not clear. Okay. So what we can do, we can change it. We can apply pattern with color also. Okay, go to pattern, change the foreground color, and click on OK. So you can see. So it is up to you. Just play with this, with these options. इन options के साथ खेलो और नया नया चीज बताओ मुझे. ठीक है? और एक से एक डिजाइन बना के इसको टेक्सचर भी है. टेक्सचर इज ऑल्सो गुड. ओके, ये हो गया हमारा लकड़ी का सनमाइका वाला पेज. ओके, many shapes are available. You can use the shapes in your project. Okay, and for computer also you have to prepare another project, at least 5
Sir,
or 5 slides. Yes, tell me. Who was that?
सर जो अभी आप चैट बॉक्स में लिंक भेजे हो ना
Yes.
वो मतलब कौन सा लिंक है?
Someone asked what to do in the project. So
यस सर.
okay, that is the explanation video what to do with project.
यस सर.
Okay.
यस सर. सर इंग्लिश का है ना ये?
This is for English. Okay, for computer, my dear students, see, for English, you can use art form of Gujarat, language of Gujarat, dance form. These things you can apply for English project, and for computer project, you can use the technological advancement of Gujarat. Okay. They are really advanced in technology. Okay, like software technology, hardware technology. So you can use those topics. Okay, technical part of Gujarat, you can say. Okay, you can use also the industries which are autonomous. Okay, so you can use those things also. For computer, you can at least create 5 pages project. For English, 10 to 15 pages. Harit, actually, we can't change the topic. Topic is same, Gujarat culture, but we need to. We can do that.
Sir, in computer also?
Yes. Topic is same, Gujarat culture. Okay. So that's why I said what you can do. You can highlight the technological perspective of Gujarat. Okay, you know, they are really advanced by technology, so you can use those things. Okay. Well, so time is over. You have to attend to more periods. Best of luck. Okay. Okay.
Sir, only Gujarat.